Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a paper popper out of paper. It works like this. So next what you do is that you just need to have like an A4 size paper, like not even a square. You don't need any cutting to be done in this video, only an A4 size sheet or any sheet, A3, any, but it just has to be thin. You can even use a printer paper, but this is a colored sheet and look how thin it is. Unlike like you can't use like a piece of chart paper, because that will not be a good perfect size and that will be too thick. So yeah, let me teach you how. So first you take the paper obviously, and then fold this in half. Yeah, so guys, as I was saying, you have to fold it in half. Like, if you have this, take the top, go ahead, fold it in half. The fold doesn't have to be really neat like all origami people say. It doesn't have to be neat because actually it won't really matter if it's neat or not. You just need to make the center crease here. It just has to be accurate, not this that it's here and you like, hey, he said that, oh, if you do that, your thing will be still fine because he said it's accurate. No, but you have to make it at least join. If it's a little bit like even smaller than a millimeter or so ahead or behind, that's fine. Then you open it. Again, you take the top fold and you fold it down to this crease. Here, let me make a mark for you to show you which is the crease. This, do you see the black line? Right here. Do you see it? Yeah. Okay, good if you see it, bad if you don't. So then you take it, you fold it toward the crease. Okay, might be thinking that this has now become a strip sort of a thing, and now what you have to do, you again have to take the top and then you have to again fold it, which will become a very thin piece of paper. And you have to take this whole strip, fold it down once more, like so. You should have something like a big rectangle with a strip. If that's not what you have, then you're doing it wrong. Start from the beginning. And yeah, basically you are just going to have to take it, flip it over, take this corner of it, and then fold in half. And guys, by the way, if you like this and if you could make it and if it's fun to play with, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on what you want to see next. So then when you fold this into half like that, this doesn't need to be accurate either, but yes. And then you might notice this is too thick. So when you fold it, you might be getting something like a big thing. So you might just want to take a pen or your finger and then just smoothen it out. Smoothen it. Like that. Smooth it. Smoothen it. So then you have this. And then you take this, pull it. I'm gonna switch to the other view for you to see. So you pull it, this part the inside part should be about here, and it should be like this in a mountain. Then you take the other part and you make it like that. So there you have it. It's a paper popper. So this should stick out like that. This should be like a hard sort of a thing like this. And you have it, your paper pop. Let's try and see. 1, 2. See, it makes a perfect sound. So if you ever have like a new year where you want to hear some sounds, don't burst crackers for the sake of the environment. Try considering making this. So thanks guys for watching. Let me know what I make next. And check out my previous video in which I am showing you my video game. It's an ancient Japanese one. Thanks guys.